Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to show you how to replace your worn out Beats Solo 2 and Beats Solo 3 wireless earpads. One thing you will need to remove your earpads is a simple non-sharp butter knife. When the earpads get to a point where the foam is showing, a lot of people think that all they need to do is remove the yellow foam and the leather that covers it. This is the number one mistake we see again and again. The earpad has a plastic base, which is the gray piece right here. That piece of plastic has to be removed completely before installing the new earpads. To remove it, you simply need to shove the butter knife in between the gray plastic and the black plastic of the headphones. I am going to start with the left side earpad. Gently shove the knife and slowly separate it from the headphones. Do this from several angles and take your time with it until it is easy to pull the whole earpad out. The next step will be to remove any remaining adhesive from the headphones. Try to scrape off as much as you can. The cleaner the surface is going to be, the better the earpad will fit. You can also use the alcohol wipe that comes with your package. Wipe it around the surface and wait for it to dry. It is important to note that the left and right side earpads are different. On the right side earpad, you will see a special cutout on the bottom which fits on top of the USB charging port on the right side of the headphones. The earpad that I am holding right now is for the left side. To align it correctly, look for the seam at the bottom of the earpad. What you will need to do is to align the two holes on the earpads to the two dowels that are on the headphones. You will see the two dowels on the bottom right and the top left. Peel the top layer of the adhesive and align the holes with the dowels. I suggest to start from the top one and then work your way to the bottom one. Once aligned, push the earpad into the headphones and apply pressure for about 30 seconds. Go around the earpad and gently tuck it in with your fingers so every part of the adhesive sticks to the surface. Now let's replace the right side earpad. Again, remove the earpad completely, including its plastic base. Take your time and slowly separate it from the headphones. Now grab the right side earpad. As I mentioned before, it is the earpad with a special cutout at the bottom of it. Now peel the adhesive and align the earpad holes to the dowels. Make sure you align the USB cutout to fit on top of the USB port. Apply pressure on the earpad and tuck it in like you did previously. And that is it! You have successfully replaced your Beats Solo Earpads. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions you can always ask us in the comment section down below or contact us at wickedcushions.com.